How to reset WordPress website and Hostinger. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly talking about how you're going to be able to reset your WordPress website and Hostinger in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come up over to your Hostinger and you're going to go over to your website section. Now in your website section, currently I don't have a hosting on WordPress, but in your website section, you're going to see your WordPress hosting right over here. Now over there, what you're basically going to be doing is select the dashboard of your WordPress website that you're going to be seeing. And from there, just go to the left-hand menu where it says install and go to auto installer. You go to your website, click the three dots and select delete and confirm delete. So once you have deleted your hosting fully from your hosting or website section, from there on out, what you're simply going to want to do is reconnect your hosting. And once you reconnect your hosting, what that does is it resets your WordPress website within Hostinger. And what you do is fill in your new site details with the same WordPress admin that you used to have, and that will totally reset your WordPress website and your work is done. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.